Hello, I am Dr. Muralidhar S. Kattalagiri, consultant laparoscopic, robotic and bariatric surgeon at Sparsh Hospital, Bangalore. Why do people gain weight? Okay, so now that's a very interesting question. There are some medical conditions which make people gain weight, but for the rest, most of them rather, it is a slow, gradual process of gaining weight. It happens with excessive calorie consumption, consumption of high calorie food, lack of exercise or not doing adequate or enough amount of exercise, lack of sleep, and some bad habits like excessive alcohol drinking and excessive high calorie food, sweets, things like that, eating very high amount of it. Gradually over many years, it increases the weight. What is also interesting is that there is something called as basal metabolic rate, your ability to digest or burn the food. It's a measure. It gradually reduces over age, and we don't adjust our diet accordingly. When we do notice that many of them gain weight after the age of 30-35 years because the basal metabolic rate starts falling down. Is bariatric surgery right and safe for you? Whenever we are treating obesity, we always counsel the patient and tell them one point, that exercise and diet and lifestyle modification are key pillars to managing overweight or obesity. But there is always a set of patients, there are quite a number of patients who are having a lot of weight and they are not able to reduce it with diet and exercise and lifestyle modifications alone. And they tend to be, there is a very clear indications wherein we choose and do the bariatric surgery. In those selected patients, we do offer bariatric surgery to them, and this surgery has been there for many decades now, and the complications have gradually reduced over many years with the increasing expertise and the centers that are performing high volume surgeries. The complications have come down significantly, and it is at par with most of the laparoscopic or keyhole surgical procedures. So it is definitely a safe procedure. One thing to bear in mind, it does come with a lot of modifications in your lifestyle for many years to come, and that is something that you should be ready for, and that's a good change to make for better health of an obese person. In case of obesity, treatment zaruri hai.